Welcome to the X70 tutorial. You'll need a total of 8 items in your kit: an XLR, the X70, battery, faceplate, Rode mic, dead cat, handheld, and the power cord. On the back of the camera, you'll find the port for the power cord, as well as where the battery goes. You'll receive one battery per camera, and the camera does act as a charging station in case your battery runs low. The base plate is what connects the camera to a tripod and will always be securely attached to the bottom of the camera, but if it has been removed, attach it like so. Your SD card can be inserted into one of 2 slots, slot A or slot B. The camera will locate it automatically so you can instantly record. The display shows battery life, your audio channels, and what format you're recording in. To start recording, hit the start/stop button. You'll notice that the display will show you that it's already recording and how long you have left on the card. The audio has been selected for you, and this panel shouldn't be touched. On the X70s, there are 2 inputs that can be used, input 1 and input 2. So no matter what input you plug into, you'll receive audio. To use the Rode mic, plug it into either input 1 or 2, then place the Rode mic securely into its holster. To know if you're receiving audio, you should have headphones that plug directly into the camera. You can also watch the levels on the bottom right-hand corner of your display. This is me showing you that the audio levels are bouncing up on channel 1 and channel 2. Each camera will come with a tripod. Each tripod comes with a clip like this. Remove like so, but leave it attached to the tripod. It helps the legs stay uniform. At the base of the tripod, there are 3 locking screws that allow you to extend the legs of the tripod. Remember, righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. To set the rest of the tripod up, unlatch the 6 points on the legs and lock the latches back into place. Each tripod comes with an arm. There's a side pocket in the tripod bag. The arm should be there. It will screw onto the left or right side of the tripod head. To attach your camera, simply push down the pin on the head of the tripod. It will allow the camera to easily glide on. Make sure that the screw on the side is loose as well. Once your camera is where you want it, simply tighten that screw and it will be stable. A few last notes: the bubble will tell you whether you're level or not. The side lock allows you to tilt up or down, and the base pin of the entire tripod head will move the entire tripod head. So make sure that's really tight once you have your shot. Last but not least, there's a screw under where the camera sits. This allows you to pan left or right.